Unit 1. On the airplane, showing your boarding pass.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Boarding pass, please.
Here it is.
Go straight ahead and then take a left.
Okay, thank
Enjoy
you.
your flight. Good evening.
Oh, good evening.
Boarding pass, please.
Certainly, here it is.
Thank you. Go straight ahead and take a left.
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy your flight. Go straight ahead and then take a left. Boarding pass, please.
Certainly, here it is.
Talking to fellow passengers.
Hi. My name is Chris.
My name is Jane.
Have you been on holiday in Bangkok?
No, I work there.
No. Where are you from?
I'm from America.
Really? Me too.
Do you work in Bangkok too?
Yes, I do work in Bangkok.
Where do you live?
I live on Sukhumvit Road. And where do you live?
I live on Sukhumvit too.
Really? On which side do you live?
I live on Soi 55. Where do you live?
I live on Soi 71.
So why are you going to England?
Well, I'm going to visit my friend. He works in London.
I am going to stay with my friends in London too.
So how long will you be staying?
I will be staying for 2 weeks.
We have a lot in common.
Yes, we do have a lot in common.
So, where are you from?
I am from America. Where do you live?
I live on Sukhumvit Road.
Why are you going to England?
Well, I'm going to visit my friend. He works in London. So how long will you be staying?
I will be staying for 2 weeks.